2 dogs were those? Cracking on the outside. Ravi, leave it. No. Ravi. Shh. Where'd you put my speaker?
That makes me so hard. Cole, bring it out.
No.
You're not going to get much on the edge.
Well, it's still like the same part.
I'll bring it out. Hold on.
Well, slide it out. Right there. There. That's about where it cracked last time. Oh, shit.
There.
Shh. Not moving. I want to get an underwater drill. Stick it down. And see what?
Not see it, like just to get the sound. I want to get like a water pump. Where? One hot.
Oh, there's another one. I'm like a whale.
Ooh. Humpbacks.
Humpback whale. Look at Riley's on Pride Rock. Cracking. Are you on Pride Rock?
Stop moving it close. Put it out more.
Wow.
I'm not gonna get much over here. Riley is munching on the ice. Get back! 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 I heard it crack right there. It cracked straight across.
Wow. There you go. Sounds like a hole fell through.
I wonder how good it's gonna sound on the camera.
Oh, shit. Holy shit. Angry.
Oh my god, that was the best one yet.
The ice guys are fighting.
It's the sea monster trying to break through. The great white lake monster.
Riley, get up. Riley farted again.
She's angry.
Probably is. Get off my lake. It's not frozen here, you're gonna kill yourself. It'll haunt you.
I'm warning you. Imagine if it happened like right on the...
That was a big crack. That was like right out near the island. Like probably straight across. You could hear it. You could hear where it goes.
Kinda, yeah, because you can hear it
It's like a truck. You just hear it. You know where it is. You fell on your ass.
Get it, Riley, get it.
Move.
Hey!
fart. What if I just farted like right over this thing? I just
How
like.
much are we on? We're on 5 minutes. It's amazing. Just the forest, you can hear it. Like the ice is just...
What?
Can you hear it?
Push me.
Push you. I want to listen to the ice.
Push me. Keep pushing me. Wow. Shh. Chelsea. Shh.
Shut up. I want to hear it.
Wow.
Wow.
Oh, my speaker fell. You can hear that pretty good.
Stop moving.
Ready.
Try not to, like, bang your feet on it. Just in case you do crack it. Think about it. We're screwed if the ice cracks under us. Doubt it will, though. You know Mr. Archibald? At the high school?
What?
You know Mr. Archibald?
Yeah.
He said he was wondering how thick it was. Now I can tell him I was just out on it last night. At, let's see, 8 o'clock? There's some good cracks coming off this lake. Shh, stop moving.
20 after 8. Ryan! I did not know.
Alright, we gotta start walking home in a little bit. Probably like 2 minutes.
Yeah, I'll give it until 8 o'clock. She ate my face.
They're over there now. That's sweet to listen to this stuff.
Shit. No.
That was right there.
Oh, there you are. No, stay over there.
Right.
Woo! Oh, what's right?
Walk slower on the edges.
Oh, nice job.
Don't break yourself. Don't break yourself. Oh, thanks. I'm already on the ground. That helped.
Get to it. Hold feet over there. I don't want to go over there.
There's no grip on these. There's no grip.
Where did you get this?
They're work boots. There's no
I think I just like cracked.
You walk right through the... That's where that other crack was right there.
Oh.
You can
That's
hear
when
it.
I was
Yeah,
here.
That's where that crack was right there. You can see it. And go back to your house.
Well-
You could actually hear it on the camera.
It's nighttime. We probably could, because if we heard it from our ears, then it should hear it from the microphone. Oh! Jam up my Yeah, like
Ready?
throw it straight through.
Alright. This isn't for you.
Ready? No.
Grab her.
Ready.
Grab her straw.
Ready? Yeah. I gotta go look. Oh, nice.
That was me.
That was him. Right when it hit on the ground, it did that.